Hey Astromech fans. Astro fans? No. Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a really quick update video just showing how I'm progressing on my projects here in the shop and what's been going on. If you've been watching the R6 build videos, there's really nothing new to show here. The droid's still sitting on the bench here, but you can see that the legs are pretty nearly complete. I haven't talked about cutting the holes in the body yet. I'll probably discuss that more when I'm installing the vents and adding the other various details. I've also been working on other things, just getting ready for the next few steps on the project. I just finally unwrapped my rocker bearing this morning, and I'm going to start preparing that for use. I've also been prototyping my utility arms here. And I've printed out a small section of the arm and the carrier just to prototype my servo mounting. This servo is just held on with two-sided tape at the moment. And that actually accounts for the loose belt right now. So I'll be making a few small changes to this design and then printing out full size and seeing how it works. You may have noticed the beginnings of my foot drives in the background in some of the videos. I've got the drives tore apart right now, but you can see that I've been making progress on the foot shells. I've also been making some progress on my electronics and my control system. I built myself this testing rig to help during programming. I'm also getting ready to start assembling my new 3D printed dome. I got a box full of parts here that were printed just about a year ago now, and I think it's about time to start putting it together. I've also been working on some other projects around the shop here that have been taking up some of my time. I've recently finished my original series Stormtrooper helmet. I've also been working on non-Star Wars related projects, including my Predator masks and a couple other things. And I've been working on a tank pilot helmet from Rogue One and a TIE pilot helmet, which I'm really excited about. So that's basically what I've been working on in a nutshell. My shop is surprisingly tidy right now, so I'm going to end this video with a quick look around the shop. And once again, if you do like these videos, please take the time to smash that subscribe button. That's by far the best way of showing me that there's some interest in these videos, and I'll keep doing them. And until next time, remember, the greatest teacher failure is.